Woof. Woof. Mine here. Woo. Nibbling. Nibbling. Whoop. Yeah, the process is if like ay! Ay yeah! Like that. Oh, no, maybe no more.
No more?
I don't know, I'll check. You can see my face there? Huh?
Yes.
I will just check. Sure. Cameraman, fisherman. Yeah. At least you can see also my style here. See?
Gap besok you did it.
Video Kuya, video. Alright. Shout out to friends in mainland. Yeah. Thank you to Joshua, Kuya Satao, Saber, and what's the name of this guy?
Ryan.
Rhyme.
Ryan.
Woo! Lapu-lapu! Lapu-lapu ah. Woo! Big mouth. Yay! Big mouth. Woo! Ah! Okay. Wait. Okay. Can you open, Rhyme? Woo! Okay. Okay, we'll see Poco. Kuya Poco. He said shark. We don't know. We'll see. Okay, we'll catch shark today. Woo, Kuya Satao in action. What's that? I'm excited, but it's hard. Huh? Fish? Woo! Woohoo! Woo! Wow! What kind of fish? Why it's so hard? Lapu-lapu? Aya!
Bato.
Aya! Woo! Lucky, lucky. That's my line, guys. I was drinking water, not knowing that there's something nibbling. Not knowing that that's big fish, man. Woo! Kuya in action! Ay, ay, ay! Hoy! Pagka, Kuya! Pagka, Kuya! Come here, closer! Shark, man! Oh my goodness! That's shark! Oh! Sorry, shark. Why you? Why? Oh man! How to take that one? Kuya, mate. May I reply? Woo! That's shark, guys. So I caught shark today. That's the fault of shark. Oh! Hook up to the fin and also to the lip. Oh man, sorry shark. Yeah.
To.
Help Rhyme.
Bato sir.
Help kuya sa tao.
Ano siya?
Knife.
Matuterapi.
Ha?
Matuterapi.
Oh, sorry shark. Woo! Hoy! Bye shark. Radyo kuya. Woo! It's okay kuya. I'll work on that. So we saved the shark. We saved the shark. Walang kumakain ng pating eh. So we caught shark today.
Apa kuya may momoy?
Simunod. No. Food.
Ha?
Murong food. Ano food na? Ah. Tara po. Food. Food niya. Food niya.
Gawayo po. Eu para siya turuan na siya ito.
Food. Nawala. Lepas na yun na food. Diba? Food. Food.